Hi guys, welcome back to PlanetMithril. My name is Mithril and today I'm going down to Goblin Town to clip, build, glue, spray, paint and game with hordes and hordes of little goblins. That's right, I have another Battlefield Basics video for you today and I'm tackling the creatures that dwell under the Misty Mountains, the Goblin Warriors of Goblin Town. Do you have an army of hundreds of Goblin Warriors you need to get painted up? I mean, I'm talking probably literal hundreds. You can get so many of these in at the 1,000 point level. Does the idea of painting all these models fill you with dread? Well, don't worry, Mithril's got you covered. My super quick and super easy to replicate method for painting these Goblin Warriors will have swarms of them amassing the tabletop in absolutely no time at all. Brushes ready, guys. Let's get going. Having primed my Goblin Warrior with Wraithbone Primer, the first step is to apply a thorough base coat to all the fleshy parts of the Goblin using Flayed One Flesh. Making sure I spend the time to get every pustule, every boil, every deformed limb, facial snarl and jutting Goblin bit. You can probably get away with one coat of this over the Wraithbone, but I'd recommend two just to be thorough. With this in place now, I'm going to apply a fairly heavy dry brush over the entire model using Pallid Witch Flesh, again making sure I spend the time to catch every bit of the Goblin himself. Don't be afraid to reorient your model to get some of those harder to reach bits of Goblin anatomy. Ugh, that felt awful to say. Now you're going to see where the magic happens. I'm going over the entire Goblin now using Carrotbird Crimson. Now I have diluted this with Lamia Medium as I want to build the pinky tones up gradually rather than blasting it with an intense red. Remember, you can add more paint, you can't take it away. I'm moving this around the model and you'll see the slight translucency of this as it dries will show the Pallid Witch dry brush underneath and give some super easy and super effective highlights. Now my Goblin boy here has a bone dagger which I'm picking out using Rakarth Flesh. Some sculpts have actual knives which you can pick out using Lead Belcher and shade back with Nuln Oil. I'm now just applying a layer to the bone knife with Screaming Skull to give a little bit of sharpness. I'm also picking out the gnarly finger and toenails at this point too. I'm picking up the loincloth, which is very thankfully there, covering who knows what, any satchel bags, straps, and wrapping over the Goblin Warrior using Dryad Bark. The leathers are now being shaded back using Agrax Earthshade. A highlight is now being applied using Gorthor Brown just to frame the leathers and help any straps and wrappings lift a little bit more from the tone of the Gobbo skin. The eyeballs I'm now painting using Abaddon Black. And finishing off with 2 dots of padded witch flesh either side, as well as picking out any gnarly teeth that are visible somewhere in that goblin's mouth. I'm now just picking out any scraggly mangled hairs over my Goblin Warrior using Skaven Black Dinge. And finally just lifting these a little bit more by hitting them with some Storm Vermin fur. Down, down, down in Mithril Town. I'll teach you to paint your hordes of vile, gruesome Goblin Warriors and bring ruin and death to any who might be so bold as to enter your domain. Look how you can create some really cool looking goblins with minimal effort, and that's just as well because you will have literally hundreds of them to paint. Now for my quick and easy Goblin Town basing, well, you'll just have to wait for that one, but not very long. Otherwise, check out my 5-minute bases playlist for tips and tricks on how to base your models. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that bell to make sure you never miss a Mithril upload. And thank you so much to all our patrons. We love you guys, and your support helps keep the lights on over here at Mithril Towers. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.